History Facts. 5 African Culture You Should Love. Welcome to the vibrant world of African culture, where diversity and tradition unite. Let's explore 5 African cultures you'll absolutely love. First, meet the Maasai tribe from Kenya and Tanzania, known for their colorful clothing, beadwork, and exceptional jumping dance and ceremonies. Next, experience the Ashanti culture from Ghana, famous for their royal golden stools, Kent cloth weaving, and Adinkra symbols representing wisdom and life lessons. Now, travel to Morocco and delve into the rich Amazigh culture, filled with unique music, language, and stunning geometric art. In Ethiopia, discover the Oromo people, who practice the Gada system, a fascinating democratic governance method, and enjoy their lively traditional music. Lastly, immerse yourself in the Zulu culture of South Africa, with their energetic dance styles, beadwork, and strong sense of community. Embark